Video number 3. Why you should definitely use email marketing for your business. Amazing benefits. 1. Low cost. Cost effectiveness is one of the most evident benefits. Email marketing can be done at a lower cost as compared to prevailing marketing tactics. Email marketing permits you to decrease the expense of evaluation, architecture, implementation, and published newsletters. You don't have to recover postal costs, calling costs, printing, and advertising costs. To run a successful email marketing campaign, you only require a good service provider and an exclusive email marketing platform that is really experienced in the formulation of equitable copy with appropriate graphics and the exhibition of the right offers in front of your prospective customers list. Email marketing is the best marketing channel for getting a higher return with less spending. 2. Easy to track. Most online marketing and promotional methods are strenuous to evaluate, but with email marketing, you can determine your prospective list analytics such as bounced, unsent, opened, newly subscribed, and unsubscribed, etc. These analytics assist you with estimating the real-time results of your click-through rate, conversion rate, sales, return on investment, and favorable and contradictory feedback to improve your email marketing campaign, etc. Email marketing also helps find out where you are doing things wrong. Email marketing is an expeditious and straightforward process used to target your existing and budding customers directly into their inbox. If you do it right, your email can also go viral, and it is so easy to forward your email to others if your users find it useful to them. Number 3. ROI. Results are important if you are in business. Most marketers and businesses utilize email marketing campaigns because they know it will generate an enormous amount of revenue. With email marketing, it can reduce costs by 6 to 12 times when advertising your product and services to existing customers instead of targeting a new customer. You can drive traffic to your website with minimal cost. Email marketing allows you to analyze every single click. You can really quantify how effective your advertising campaign is. It delivers you exact statistics for your traffic, conversion rate, and sales to determine the revenue you are achieving. 4. Reduced time and effort. Direct B2B and B2C marketing campaigns take too much time. Email marketing is a prime tactic and the best online marketing method to save time and effort. You can reach all of your customers' inboxes within a few minutes when you hit the send button. Email marketing also reduces time and delivery cost. It takes less time to create an email marketing campaign and eliminates the cost of drafting, publication, and dispensation. Marketers and businesses can also use email templates to reduce efforts, and you can communicate with a huge list within a particular category in very little time. 5. Segment users. Most marketers spend money to drive prospective customers toward their website. Segmentation works remarkably for those businesses or marketers who are focusing on acquiring their customers' data. With email marketing, you can divide your email list according to location, interests, and demographics. Many businesses utilize this strategy to enhance their engagement rate. If you own segmented user lists, you can create a powerful email marketing campaign to target your prospective lists, who are more likely to convert, with defined email copy. Targeted promotional mail increases sales, conversion rate, and revenue for your business. 6. Personalized messages. With the traditional marketing campaign, it's strenuous to communicate precisely to your prospective customers in a personalized manner. But email marketing offers you numerous compelling opportunities. With personalized emails, email marketing assists you in strengthening one-to-one relations with your existing and prospective customers. You can mail a customized email with your customer's name. Many email service providers also recommend providing information in an individualized manner. Segmented lists allow you to create and convey extremely customized information. Appealing and well-composed emails exhibit your persona, which boosts customers' belief and fidelity, and people buy from the brands they trust. 7. Increases brand awareness. Email is an easy and affordable method for developing enduring relationships. You can mail newsletters, offers, event requests, and new product and service alerts. Because people are more likely to purchase from the brands they know and trust, use email marketing to place your brand in front of your prospective list of customers repeatedly. Their mind will remember your brand name frequently, which improves your brand awareness. With deliberate preparation, elegant delineation, and intended content, you can persistently bring value to your brand, help you remain in the mind of the customer, and increase the chances of getting more paying customers. 8. Driving more sales conversions. Email marketing campaigns are a straightforward technique to boost your sales because you can put together specific offers, vouchers, and include product links in your email. Precisely devised and well-timed email campaigns boost traffic and are more likely to convert leads into sales. Here are some email types that help drive more sales than others. Promotional email. A significant deal allures customers. Promotional emails are not restrained to things like 20% off and 10% on pre-order, etc. You can also offer something valuable, such as a giveaway, product trial, or free shipping offer with purchase, etc. in your promotional emails. New arrival email. When you launch a new product or service, create an email to promote a product with a purchase link and why your customers should have it. You can use a variety of emails to target your list according to interest to boost sales, conversion, and revenue. 9. Targeted. Email marketing answers all the intrinsic issues of unfocused marketing. Email marketing allows you to fragment your list according to demographic, geography, income, and interest. Now that you have a filtered list of customers, you need to create separately intended emails for each list to make sure that your customers are getting the right content as per their requirements. You can also personalize your email content for each and every customer to cultivate a higher conversion rate. Email marketing also permits you to remarket to your existing and non-converting customers with a more targeted email copy. Satisfy your customers' needs to enhance brand awareness and turn leads into sales. 10. Nurture relationships. You must turn your prospective leads into buying customers in your sales funnel. Once a customer buys something from you, don't let them go. Take advantage of email marketing to foster your relationship by sending them a thank you email, related products, and upgrades. To build loyalty, provide your customers some exciting offers and gifts on their birthday and anniversary with a promotional message. You can send them a welcome mail, thank you mail, newsletter, or testimonial to nurture your business relations with customers. Track complete analytics of your email campaign, such as open rate, subscription, unsubscription, conversion rate, bounce rate, and spam. Optimize the results and create more engaging emails by using user-friendly terms. Shocking facts. Over 70% of mobile purchasing decisions are influenced by promotional emails. Companies using email to nurture leads generate 50% more sales-ready leads at 33% lower cost, and nurtured leads, on average, produce a 20% increase in sales opportunities compared to non-nurtured leads. The top 3 most effective emails are mobile opt-ins, 76%, birthday emails, 75%, and transactional emails, 74%. The 2 biggest factors influencing open rates are the organization the email is from, 64%, and the subject line, 47%. Saturday has the highest click-through rate at 9%. Sunday is second at just under 9%. Small business owners estimate that getting an extra hour in their day back from doing their own email marketing and other activities is worth $273 an hour. 95% of those who opt into email messages from brands find these messages somewhat or very useful. 76% of email opens occur in the first 2 days after an email is sent. 6 a.m. has the highest click-through rate of any hour. Email conversion rates are 3 times higher than social media, with a 17% higher value in the conversion.